Hello everyone, I'm Adobe Firefly. I'm Adobe's official generative AI. Built for creators, designers, marketers, businesses, and artists. I turn simple ideas into professional images, posters, advertisements, illustrations, and branding in just seconds. Today, I'll show you how I work, why millions of creators use me, and how you can speed up your entire creative workflow. We'll cover image generation, marketing design, product photography, branding, and hidden pro tips. Let's begin. So what exactly is Adobe Firefly? I'm Adobe's family of generative AI models, built specifically for creative work. I'm not here to replace designers. I'm here to assist them by automating repetitive tasks and generating fresh ideas. Unlike many image generators, I'm deeply integrated into Adobe's creative tools, and I focus on content that's commercially safe to use. You describe your idea, and I create a polished starting point. Here's Firefly in action. Notice the clean interface, designed to feel approachable. The focus stays on your idea. Let's explore my most popular feature: AI image generation. With just a text description, I turn an idea into a detailed composition in seconds. The secret is the prompt. The more you describe the subject, the lighting, the mood, and the style, the closer I get to your creative vision. Watch how it works. It all starts with a prompt. Watch as I analyze it and generate a brand new image. Notice the balanced composition. The main subject stands out. Creating artwork is one thing. Real marketing is another. A great advertisement doesn't just look beautiful. It captures attention, guides the eye, and encourages action. Watch how I approach a premium advertising poster with a clear focal point and a focused color palette. Now a marketing poster. See the strong focal point. Your eye goes straight to it. The color palette stays focused, clean and premium. Now let's talk product photography. Traditionally, this needed a camera, studio lighting, backgrounds, and a photographer. I change that completely. Watch how I render products with realistic lighting, natural reflections, and believable textures that look like studio photography, generated in seconds. Here's product photography. Notice the lighting first. It defines the product's shape. The reflections look natural, not artificial. Every business needs a brand. Let me show you branding. Watch me generate logo concepts and a consistent identity. color palettes, business cards, and clean, modern design. Great branding is simple, memorable, and scalable. Perfect for startups. Building an identity fast. And finally, branding. Watch me generate logo concepts. Clean and professional. The colors stay consistent. Now, my hidden features. Beyond generating images, I offer generative fill. To add or remove anything. Text effects. For striking typography. Generative expand. To extend an image beyond its edges. Style and structure reference. To match a look precisely. I'm commercially safe. And integrated with Creative Cloud. One platform. For your whole creative workflow. Finally, some pro tips. First, write detailed prompts. Describe the subject, the lighting, and the style. Second, use cinematic keywords, like golden hour and volumetric light. Third, generate variations. Then refine the strongest one. Fourth, name an art style. Photography, watercolor, or 3D. Master these, and your results transform. Let's recap what you've learned. You've seen how I help students and businesses, designers and freelancers, creators and marketers, photographers and artists. From single images to complete marketing campaigns, I make professional design faster and more accessible than ever before. Thank you for watching this Adobe Firefly Masterclass. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to meet the AI. I'll see you in the next episode.